Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can freeze your header on your Wix site, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, if I scroll my page down, the header will scroll with the page. It won't be at the top all the time, so I'm going to change that. I won't be able to change it for the editor, which I'm currently in. However, you could change it for the preview. Now, what you want to do to actually change it or freeze the header is you want to hover over the header itself like so. Once you're here, you'll see this cog or this sort of tab right over here where you have the quick edit and the header scroll settings. You want to click on the header scroll settings, and as you can see, freezes is one of the options, and I'm going to select that. Now, as you can see, the header still stays there because I'm in the editor, but if I go into preview and wait a few seconds for it to load, if I scroll down, the header will stay at the top of the page, as you can see, just like so. And that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video. And I'd also like for you to add a comment in the comments if you want to actually give us some feedback. And yeah, see you guys later.